Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Leo English podcast. I have a question for you today. What if one small change in your mind could change your whole life? Sounds big, right? Don't worry. Today, we will talk about it in a very simple way. And of course, I am not alone. I have my wonderful friend Anna here with me. Hi, Anna.
Hi, Leo. Hi, everyone. I am so happy to be here. And wow, Leo, that question sounds very serious today.
Yes, a little serious, but also very exciting. Anna, let me ask you something. Have you ever said, I can't do this?
Oh, yes, many times. Especially when I try something new, like learning a language or going to the gym. Sometimes I think, this is too hard.
Ah, too hard. I think many people listening right now understand that feeling. And that is exactly why today's topic matters. Today, we are talking about mindset.
Mindset. That word sounds a little big. What does it mean?
Great question. Let's make it very simple. Your mindset is how you think about something. It is the voice inside your head. For example, English is difficult. I am bad at speaking. I am too old to learn. These are mindsets.
Ah, okay. So mindset is just my thoughts and beliefs.
Exactly. Very simple. And here is the powerful idea. If you change your mindset, you can change your life.
Wow, that sounds amazing. But Leo, how can just thinking change my life?
Beautiful question. Let's compare two types of mindset. First, the fixed mindset. This mindset says, I can't. I am not good. I will never improve. It feels closed, like a door is shut.
Oh, yes, I know that door. It is very heavy. When I think like that, I feel tired. I want to stop.
Exactly. Now let's open another door, the growth mindset. This mindset says, I am learning. I can improve. This is hard, but I will try. Do you feel the difference?
Yes, I can't feels like the end. I am learning feels like the beginning.
Beautiful, Anna. That is perfect. The growth mindset is like a small plant. It starts small, but every day it grows a little more.
I like that image. So if I say, my English is not good, that is fixed mindset.
Yes, but now I will teach you a magic word. Are you ready?
Oh, I love magic words. Yes.
The word is yet.
Yet? That's it?
Yes, small word, big power. Let's try it. Instead of saying, my English is not good, say, my English is not good yet.
Oh, that feels different. It means not now, but maybe in the future.
Exactly. Yet opens the door to the future. It gives hope. Try another one.
Okay, I can't speak fluently yet.
Perfect. See? You're not saying never. You are saying not now. That small change changes your energy.
Wow, I really like this. So when I feel sad about my English, I just add yet?
Yes, simple but powerful. Now, let's talk about another problem. Sometimes people say, English is too big. There are too many words. Do you ever feel that?
All the time. Sometimes I think, there are thousands of words. I can't learn them all.
Yes, it feels like a huge mountain. And when you look at the top, you feel tired before you even start.
Yes, I feel small.
So here's the secret. Don't look at the whole mountain. Just look at one small step.
One small step?
Yes. Don't say, I will study English for 3 hours. Say, today, I will learn 3 new words. That's it.
Only 3 words?
Yes. Or listen to one short podcast, or watch one short video, or write one small comment in English. Small actions, every day.
That feels possible. 3 words is not scary.
Let me tell you a short story. There was a man who wanted to build a long wall. When he saw the empty space, he felt sad. He thought, this is impossible. But his friend said, don't build a wall, just place one brick.
1 brick?
Yes, one brick today, one brick tomorrow, one brick the next day. After many days, the wall was finished.
Oh, I love that. So learning English is not building a wall, it's placing 1 brick every day.
Exactly. Your 3 new words, that's 1 brick. Listening to this podcast, another brick. Speaking 1 sentence, another brick.
Wow, when you say it like that, it feels simple. Not easy, but simple.
Yes, not easy, but simple. Let's remember our 4 big ideas. 1. Change I can't to I am learning. 2. Use the magic word yet. 3. Mistakes are part of learning. 4. Just place 1 brick every day.
Leo, I feel very motivated right now.
Me too. And to everyone listening, you don't need to change your whole life today. Just change 1 thought. Maybe instead of saying, my English is bad, you say, my English is improving. Or, my English is not perfect yet.
Before we finish, we have a small question for you.
Yes, we do. Tell us in the comments, what is your 1 brick today?
Maybe you will learn 2 new words. Maybe you will speak 1 sentence. Maybe you will write 1 comment in English.
Every small action matters. Every brick counts. And remember, if you change your mindset, you can change your life.
Thank you so much for listening today.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe so more learners can find us. Keep learning, keep growing, and we will see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Keep placing your bricks.